Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best face tanner spray is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for achieving a sun-kissed glow without the harmful UV exposure, offering a convenient and customizable way to bronze your complexion right at home, making it an essential addition to any beauty routine for those seeking a radiant, healthy-looking tan that can be applied in minutes, providing a natural-looking color that builds gradually for a flawless finish. Number 5. Body Drench QuickTan Instant Self-Tanner Bronzing Spray. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed glow in minutes. This instant self-tanner provides a salon-quality medium to dark tan. Enjoy a flawless finish every time. Its tinted formula ensures you can see where you're applying, preventing streaks. Get the perfect depth of color you desire. This bronzing spray delivers a rich, natural-looking tan. Achieving a gorgeous tan has never been simpler. Just spray and go for an effortless, beautiful result. Experience professional-level tanning from the comfort of your home. It provides a smooth, even, and lasting bronzed look. What we like? Get a salon-quality tan in minutes with this tinted spray. Its streak-free application ensures a flawless finish every time. If you need a quick, natural-looking tan for a last-minute event, this is your go-to. What people say. This spray tan is amazing. It gives a natural-looking glow without any streaks. I love how easy this spray tan is to use. Just a few spritz and you have a beautiful tan. The scent of this spray tan is also very pleasant, not like other tanners that have a strong chemical smell. Number 4. New Skin Sunright Insta Glow Self-Tanner Gel. Get ready for a beautiful, sun-kissed look without the sun. This self-tanner delivers a natural summer tan for both your face and body. Infused with vitamin E and avocado oil, it nourishes your skin while providing a gorgeous bronzed appearance. Enjoy a healthy-looking complexion. Experience an effortless bronzing effect thanks to the power of DHA and amino acids. It works naturally with your skin for a flawless finish. This lightweight gel is easy to apply, ensuring an even and streak-free tan. Achieve radiant skin that looks naturally sun-kissed. Perfect for achieving that desirable summer glow year-round. It's your secret weapon for beautiful, bronzed skin. What we like? Achieve a natural summer tan with this nourishing gel. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil, it hydrates while it tans. If you're looking for a sunless tanner that also cares for your skin, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is the best face tanner I have ever used. It gives a natural-looking glow and is easy to apply. I love how this tanner doesn't streak or turn orange. It develops into a beautiful bronze color. The spray nozzle is great, it distributes the product evenly for a flawless finish. Number 3. 3-in-1 Velvet Self-Tanning Mitt Set. Achieve a flawless, natural-looking tan with our 3-in-1 applicator set. It's designed for easy, streak-free application every time. This set includes everything you need for a perfect tan. Use the different mitts for your face, body, and exfoliation. Our velvet mitts ensure smooth and even coverage of lotions, mousses, and sprays. Say goodbye to patchy or uneven results. Enjoy a beautiful tan while being kind to the environment. These mitts are reusable, offering a sustainable tanning solution. From exfoliation to final application, this kit has you covered. Get ready to glow with confidence and ease. What we like? This set provides everything you need for a perfect tan. It includes exfoliating and tanning mitts for a streak-free application. If you want to ensure an even tan and reduce waste, this reusable kit is ideal. What people say. This product is a game changer for achieving a natural-looking glow without the sun. The spray application is incredibly easy and provides an even, streak-free tan. It dries quickly and doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it comfortable to wear. Number 2. USA-made Face Tanner Serum. Achieve a beautiful sunless tan with our Face Tanner Serum. It's crafted with natural and organic ingredients for a healthy glow. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this serum helps combat signs of aging while providing a radiant complexion. It nourishes your skin deeply. Enjoy a safe and non-toxic bronzing experience. Our formula ensures a smooth application without harmful chemicals. Get a flawless, streak-free fake tan every time. The lightweight formula blends seamlessly for an even color. Reveal your natural, healthy glow with this advanced face tanner. It provides a subtle, sun-kissed look that enhances your features. Proudly made in the USA, this serum meets high-quality standards. Experience the difference of premium ingredients and formulation. What we like? Experience a sunless tan with this serum made from natural ingredients. It features hyaluronic acid for anti-aging benefits and a streak-free natural glow. If you desire a fake tan that also benefits your skin's youthfulness, this serum is for you. What people say. This product is a game-changer for achieving a natural-looking tan without the sun. The spray application is even and streak-free, providing a flawless finish. It dries quickly and doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it comfortable to wear. Number 1. USA-made Organic Self-Tanner Kit. Introducing our revolutionary self-tanning kit, crafted with organic and natural ingredients. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed look without the sun. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a flawless tan on both your face and body. Achieve a gradual, natural-looking color that builds over time. Our formula is non-toxic and gentle, ensuring a safe tanning experience for everyone. Enjoy a worry-free sunless tan that looks and feels amazing. Proudly made in the USA, this kit represents the highest quality in sunless tanning. Experience the difference of premium ingredients and expert formulation. Designed for both women and men, this self-tanner provides an even and streak-free application. Achieve your desired level of tan with ease and confidence. What we like? Build a natural-looking tan gradually with this lotion kit. Made with organic ingredients, it offers a non-toxic sunless tan. If you prefer a subtle, buildable tan and appreciate natural formulations, this kit is a great option. What people say. This product is amazing, it gives a natural-looking tan without streaks. I love how easy it is to apply, just spray and go. It dries quickly and doesn't leave a sticky feeling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.